Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully laid out split level corner lot house that awaits the right family to call it home. It sits on 0.42 acres of land. Upstairs consists of 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The master bedroom ensuite space for a bathroom, family room and enclosed veranda. Downstairs comes with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living, dining room, kitchen, breakfast nook, powder room, washroom, other common areas, balconies, double automatic garage and a large storage area. The basement also houses a self-contained flat which can be used for investment purposes. The house is fully grilled and equipped with security cameras with worldwide visibility, and the entire property can also be viewed worldwide. The property is fully fruited. The property is in proximity to Mandeville town and enjoys all the amenities the city has to offer. This well sought after area, which is known as Kristian Circle, is a middle to upper income community and ranks among the most desirable in Mandeville. Call today for your viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 47 million or US $305.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.